Everyone can see the slide? Can see the
Yes,
PowerPoint? Yes, okay,
okay.
very good. Okay, so network in graph theory, I actually recorded 7 videos. If got time, you go to watch it. Now we will discuss a comprehensive practice page 148 to 149. We look at question number 1. 3 graphs are given below. For each graph, determine set of V. Still remember what is set V? Adrian here or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is set V?
Vertices.
Yes, vertices. Okay, set of vertices. So, can tell me, Adrian, what is your answer for this one?
PQRSTU.
Yes, very good. And we write it in set bracket. Don't forget, write in set bracket. Okay, so the second one, set E. See here or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so set E. What is your answer for set E? Still remember what is set E?
The H.
Yes, H. So what is your answer?
PQ. PS.
Yes.
QR. QT. RS. RU. ST.
Okay, we check the answer. Okay, set of edges, we have PP. Why PP? PP is the lobes here. Okay, this is PP, and we have PQ, PR, QR, RS, ST. We write 2 times because this is multiple edges. And you not connected to any of the text, so no need to write you in our answer. Okay, so now the third one is sum of degree. Okay, still remember the formula of sum of degree? Asha can answer sum of degree.
Sorry, teacher, I'm not too sure.
You're not sure what is your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, sum of degree, the formula is 2 times number of edges. So how many edges here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sum of degree is 2 times 7. So Pasha, understand or not?
Not really.
Okay, you see, sum of degree 2 times number of edges. So just now from second set E here, we have how many edges here? PP, PQ, PR, QR, RS, ST, ST. How many? We count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the formula for sum of degree is 2 times the number of edges. So 2 times 7. 2 times 7 equal to?
14.
Okay, understand now?
Yes, a bit, yes.
Okay, very good. So you must remember sum of degree is 2 times number of edges. Of course, you can count 1 by 1. But for today, because we already complete the whole chapter, we just use the formula. Okay, we look at second question. Draw an undirected graph based on the given information. You still remember directed graph and undirected graph? Directed graph, we have the arrow. And undirected graph, we don't have arrow. That is the difference. Okay, so all these are A is simple graph. Okay, so simple graph means we don't have loops and multiple edges. So now we look at here, vertex we have P, Q, R, S, T, U. So if you want to draw the vertices first, it's okay. You do draw like this. But please don't draw in one straight line. Okay, you draw it separately like this is okay. Or you draw it one by one according to the edges. Okay, so P to Q. So you start draw P and then Q. Then you join it. It's okay. Okay, so now we draw the simple graph for this one. P to Q. Okay, second one is Q to R. So I join the vertex Q to vertex R, R to S, and S to T. And because in the set of edges, we don't have U, so you don't need to add the U to any of vertex. Okay, P equal to PQRST means we have 5 vertices. And you look at edge here, PQ, PQ. If got 2 pair of PQ here, means we have multiple edge. Understand? After that, QR, QT is one line, RS, one line also, SS. Darshan, here or not? Darshan, here or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tell me, why SS? What is that?
Not sure, teacher.
Not sure.
It's a
Wow,
loop,
you
teacher.
forgot already. Anyone know what is SS?
Loop, teacher.
Loop,
Look, teacher.
Loop,
Very
loop,
good.
teacher.
Okay, so ST.
Oh my God, Tasha.
I just if I draw the vertices first, it's like this. Or you draw one by one also can. So PQ and PQ. Just now I mentioned, what is that? PQ, PQ, what is that?
Multiple edges, teacher.
Yes, very good. So I draw the multiple edge here. Multiple edges. After that, QR is straight line, right? So I draw the one line from Q to R like this. And QT from Q to T. RS also straight line, right? So from vertex R, you draw to vertex S. And last one is ST. Oh, SS first, right? It's a loop. And ST. This is how we draw a graph with multiple edges and loops. Okay, Zhexing understand or not? Zhexing, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we proceed to the next question. Okay, draw an undirected weighted graph to represent the federal road connecting a few towns as shown in the table. You are advised to use an area map to determine the position of the towns. Okay, so now let's say I already refer to the map. So I have all the points. The Merlot and Mentakap, 9.3. So I draw the line, the Merlot to Mentakap, 9.3 km. For weighted graph, you must know the edge, all the edge we need to label it. So now from Merlot to Mentakap is 9.3 kilometers. So I label the edge 9.3 kilometers. Okay, now next is the Merlot to Banda Bera, 30.2 kilometers. Okay, Banda Bera is here. So I draw the line. Okay, and label it 30.2 kilometers. Akhil, understand or not? Akhil here or not? Akhil not in my classroom. Akasha, okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we go to the next. Banda Bera, Terian, 4.9 kilometers. So Terian is here. And you draw the edge and label it 4.9 kilometers. And Mentakap to Lanchang, 21.1 kilometer. Okay. And next, Lanchan to Kara, 21.9. And the last one, Mentakap to Kuala Krau, 34.6. Okay. So this is weather graph. We learned before actually, right? Today, like we do some revision for the whole chapter. Okay, so after we draw it, okay, B is the graph that you have drawn a tree. Justify your answer. Okay, now I want to ask Kasif. Kasif, is it a tree graph?
Yes, teacher.
How we know it is a tree graph? Graphs that form a close diagram, you know. So if got any close diagram here, not a tree graph. This is the first thing. Another thing is, if here got how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If got 7 vertices, only 6 edge. The answer, you just answer like this. Yes, because every pair of vertices is connected by one edge. Vertex equal to 7, edge equal to 6. Still remember. Now we go to question number 5. Question number 4, I think is quite simple for you. So I want you to do it by yourself, okay? Okay, question number 5. The directed weighted graph on the right shows the price of ticket and the travel times for some choices of flights of a private airline. Vertex S is the destination of the flight from vertex P. Vertex Q and vertex R are the transit airports. The transit time at each of the airports is 45 minutes. Okay, so just now we learned already directed weighted graph. Now, directed weighted graph means we have the direction. You see, look at here, P to R. You have the arrow from P go to R. Okay, this one we call it as directed graph. Okay, A, state the most economical route. Okay, just now from the question, where is the destination? Vertex S is the destination of the flight from vertex P. Means from vertex P here, you go to S. Actually, we got quite a number of routes. So, which one is the most economical route? We list one by one actually. Okay. So, first one, you look at the orange color line. Can see the orange color line or not? Up to R3, Zawiya, here or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Can see the orange line.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now 5A. The first route, the orange line here is P to R and to S. Okay, we look at P to R is 130 ringgit. And R to S is 65. So total is 195 ringgit. Okay. P to S. We have this route also. P to Q. After that, go to S. Okay. From P to Q, 50 ringgit. And from Q to S, 115. So total is 165. And we also have the route like this, the purple color. Okay, P to Q, and from Q to R, R to S. So from P to Q, 50 ringgit. After that, Q to R, 45. And R to S, 65. Total is 160. And we also have P to S, direct flight from P to S. Okay, 200 ringgit. Okay, so from here, can you tell me the most economical route? Choi, can tell me which route is the most economical route? Choi Son Chen?
The third one.
The third one, yes, very good. Okay, now back to the route that take the shortest time. Okay, we already have all the 4 routes here. So we want to check which one is the shortest time. So PRS, P to R to S, 1.5 hour P to R, and don't forget, just now in the question, the transit time at each of the airport is 45 minutes. If I want to change 45 minutes to hour, how to change it? 45 divided by 60, right? So I get 0.95 hour. That's why I write here 1.5 hour is P to R, then plus 0.75 hour. This is transit time. Then plus R to S. R to S is 1.1 hour. So total time taken is 3.35 hour. Okay, now PQS. PQS, P to Q, 1 hour. After that, transit time, 0.75 hour. Okay, so from Q to S is 1.4 hour. So total time taken is 3.15 hour. The third route, PQRS. This one, of course, take a lot of time to travel. P to Q, 1 hour. Transit time, 0.75 hour. And Q to R is 0.8 hour. And don't forget here, we transit again. So must plus 0.75 hour. Then plus R to S. R to S is 1.1 hour. So total is 4.4 hour. And PS, direct flight, so 3 hour. So from here, the route that takes the shortest time is P to S. Okay, B. If you need to go to a destination at optimum cost, state the route that you will choose. Justify your answer. Okay, Leshen here or not? Leshen?
Yes, teacher.
So which route you will choose for this?
I will choose P to Q to S.
Oh, P to Q to S. Why?
Because can save RM35.
Yes. Very good. Okay, route P to Q to S, because I can save 35 ringgit and difference time is only 9 minutes compared to route P to S. For route P to S is 200 ringgit. And from PQS is here. You only need to spend 165. The different time of PQS and PS is 0.15 hours. So 0.15 hour, if you convert to minutes, is 0.15 times 60. So you got 9 minutes. Okay, clear? So now we go to question number 6. Okay, write 5 linear equations based on the directed graph below. Given S5 equal to 15, determine the value of S1, S2, S3, and S4. This question look like quite new for us, right? Okay, so here got one tip. Use sum of degree in equal to sum of degree out for each of the vertex. So now we start with vertex A. You look at A here. Degree in. How many arrow go into A? Only one, right? 11 here. And 2 arrow go out. S1 and S2. So for vertex A, the linear equation we can write it like this. S1 plus S2, the degree out, equal to 11, the degree in here. Okay, so now vertex B, I need one student tell me what is the linear equation. Here?
Yes, teacher.
Darren, tell me vertex B. What is the linear equation for vertex B? Yes?
I don't know, teacher.
You look at the arrow here. How many in? Which one in?
X4.
All right. So S4. Then equal to S3 out, right? Another one out is
10.
11, right?
8.
From vertex B here. Vertex B
Oh.
here. So how you write it? S4 equal to S3 plus 11. Clear now?
Yeah, clear, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, here 3.
Here, teacher.
TVS 3. You always pass on my work also, right? Okay, now tell me C. How to write linear equation for C?
X2 plus X3 equals to 20.
Yes, very good. You look at the degree in here, we have 2 in, right? So you S2 plus S3. Then degree out, we have 2 out also, right? So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. That's why you write as S2 plus S3 equal to 20. Okay, good. Okay, now D. Okay, who I not yet call it? Aiman Sufi. Here or not? Aiman? No response. Alim Vivi?
Yes, teacher.
Vivi, tell me, vertex D. What is the linear equation for vertex D?
X1
Okay, good.
plus 10
Yes.
equals to X5.
Yes, very good. Okay, now the last vertex is vertex E. One more, Shakil. Tell me, what is your answer? Here or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Tell me the equation, linear equation for vertex E. You look at E here. How many arrow go into E?
X5 plus 10.
Yes, S5 plus 10 equal to how many out? One out only, right? Equal to what?
X4.
S4, yeah. So the last one, vertex E equal to 10 plus S5 equal to S4. So now we want to find the value of S1, S2, S3, and S4 given S5 equal to 15. Okay, so I substitute S5 equal to 15 into one of the equation here. So you refer to the other equation from vertex A to E. Which one we have S5? Here, right? Vertex E, right? So I will substitute S5 equal to 15 equal to, into this equation. Okay, so 10 plus S5 equal to S4. 10 plus 15 because S5 equal to 15. So 10 plus 15 equal to S4. So S4 will equal to 25. Okay, now we already have the value of S4. So I can substitute S4 equal to 25 into equation that have S4. So either I substitute into vertex P or vertex E here. Okay, so any one. So I try to substitute into the equation S4 equal to 11 plus S3 here. Okay, so now S4 here equal to 25. So I write 25 equal to 11 plus S3. Okay, Putri, Julia, here or not? Ku Ashraf, here or not?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me S3 equal to what?
S3 equals to 14, is it?
Okay, yes, very good. Because S3 equal to 25 minus 11 equal to 14. Very good. Okay, so now I have S3 already. So I can substitute into linear equation at vertex B or linear equation at vertex C. Both have S3, right? So I just choose one of the linear equation. I substitute it in. So S2 plus S3 equal to 20. So just now S3 equal to 14. I substitute S3 equal to 14 here. Okay, so now.
Teacher, can I answer?
Yeah, who?
Vishnu.
Huh?
Vishnu.
Okay, very good. Okay, you answer it. S2 equal
6.
to?
X2 equals to 6.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now we have the value of S5, S4, S3, S2. So we need to find the value of S1. Okay, who want to answer this? Tell me, who want to answer this one? Anyone volunteer?
Teacher.
Yeah. Can tell me your name? I cannot see your face now.
Parveen.
You can see
Parveen.
one screen here, huh?
Parveen.
Okay, yeah.
X1 is equals to 5.
Yes. Okay, S1 plus S2 equal to 11. So S1 plus 6 equal to 11. S1 equal to 5. Very good. Okay, now we look at question number 7. This is the last question for today because I actually only asked you to answer question number 1 to question number 7 only. Okay, so the following undirected graph shows 6 houses in a village. A salesperson needs to visit all the houses starting from the house A and finishing at house F. A. Draw a directed graph to represent the shortest distance from A to F with the condition that all the paths are taken once only. So this one also quite new for you. So here, then you need to check one by one which one is the shortest route. Okay, so I try one by one. So first route is A go to B. After that, from B go to C, C go to E, E go to D, and D go to F. So I list out. Okay, A to B, 900. B to C, 600. C to E, 850. And E to D, 850. D to F, 800. So total is 4,000 meters. And of course, we have other route. Okay, the purple color. So means A go to C and B, after that E, after that from E go to D, and from D go to F. So if I write all the distance here, A to C, 650, C to B, 600, B to E, 780, E to D, 850, and last one, D to F, 800 meter. So total is 3,680 meter. Okay, and we have another rule, the green color here. A go to D, after that from D go to C, C go to B, B go to E, and from E go to F. So for this rule, 750 plus 500 plus 600 plus 780 plus 450. Total is 3,080 meter. For this question, we actually don't have a shortcut. We need to we need to list out all the possible route, and then we count it one by one. Okay, so from here, so far I only can list out 3 routes. So from these 3 routes here, the shorter distance is from A to D, to C, to B, to E, and to F. Okay, so based on this one, because A, they ask you draw a directed graph to represent the shorter distance. So you need to draw it out like this. And after you draw it, A to D, D to C, C to B, B to E, and E to F, you also, because this is vector graph, so you need to write to label the edge also. So you label it. When you do the exercise, please label it. Then only you will get the complete answer for A. Okay, B. Based on your graph, calculate the shortest distance in kilometer. So just now, actually, when we list out, we already know shorter distance is 3,080 meter, but this one is in meter. So you need to convert it into kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meter, right? So 3,080 divided by 1,000 equal to 3.08 kilometer. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson.
Like my video, please feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.